Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm here with my mom, and we're going to be playing real food versus fidgets. So let's get started.
I think I'd rather have the real food.
I think I'd rather have the fidget. Alright, so guys, if you don't know how to play, we're just going to do like a fake challenge. So we have these two, and we're going to like give them to each other. You're not allowed to like shake them or like smell. Well, I guess you can smell them, but like I guess you can get like a scent of what it is. So let's not smell. You're just allowed to like touch the lid. You're not allowed to like shake it and see which one is which. So you're gonna try to get as many real foods or as many fidgets as you can, and then we're gonna do keep it or switch it. So we're gonna like take turns keeping or switching. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna do the first round. It's like falling out. Okay. This one's yours.
Okay.
Don't shake it. All right, you can go first. Keep it or switch it.
Switch.
Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I got the fake ice cube.
You got the real ice cube.
Oh yeah, the real ice cube. And you got the fake ice cube.
I got the Neato. That plate felt very cold.
Alright, let's do the next round. Alright, my mom got a point. Round number 2. Alright. The next round. Alright. I'm going to keep.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the fruits.
I got
You got the gummy bear.
big giant gummy bear.
Alright. My mom gets another point.
He's got hair all over him. That's kind of gross.
Okay.
2 pink Neatos.
Yeah. You're getting all the squishies. And I'm getting all the food. Number 3. Alright. That sounded like a fart, guys. It was just my dumpling. Alright. Do this one. Alright, would you like to keep or switch?
We'll keep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the butter squishy! You got the real butter.
I got real butter.
She got real butter. I got the butter squishy. My butter was coming off, so I had to write it myself. It doesn't look that good, but oh well. Alright. We can put the balls here. Okay. Number 4. Alright. So I'm gonna do these two. Okay. Now switch. 2, 1. Oh man!
Grapes!
I got the fake grapes.
I got the real grapes.
You got the real grapes. Wait, why was I like, oh, bro, it's the good one. I don't know what I was doing.
I don't know if you understand how to play this game.
Alright, we're all tied up. Dun-dun-dun. Alright. Alright, round number 5. Alright. Wait, whose turn was it? Mine's heavy.
I think you got to decide if we switched last time.
Alright, keep or switch.
Let's see. I think I want to switch.
Mine's heavy too. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
I got the fake apple.
I got the real apple.
It's a squishy apple.
Oh, man.
Stress relieving apple.
Alright, my mom got 3. I was gonna eat apple, but I don't think it's.
Probably needs a little bit of a wash first.
All right. Round number 6. All right. You know this one. Try not to have the bowl fall off. All right. 3, 2, 1. We didn't have any marshmallows or graham crackers, so I had to.
Ritz crackers.
Yeah, I had to put it on a Ritz cracker.
Chocolate.
Yeah. So I had to put chocolate on a Ritz cracker. But I got the s'mores squishy. So yay! No, oh. Alright. We're tied up again. We have 2 more rounds.
Okay.
Round number 7. Okay, would you like to keep or switch?
I will switch.
Okay. Mine sounds weird.
Yeah.
It was just like shaking, but okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh. I got the egg.
I have
squishy.
a real egg, and it's very cold.
I got the real egg.
You got a fake egg.
Oh my goodness! I got the fake egg. I keep saying the real egg when it's fake stuff.
I think you needed some more sleep.
I did stay up late last night. It's summer though. Okay. Alright, it's 4 to 3. Round number 8. We're feeling great for round number 8. And it's the final round. It's the final countdown. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. I'm going to switch.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. I got the strawberry!
I have a gummy.
We didn't have any real strawberries, so I gave her a strawberry fruit snack. Got the strawberry.
Okay, so I ended up with a bear squishy, a Neato baby cube thing, and an apple squishy. 3 squishies.
I got the strawberry, the butter, the s'more. So I got
the grape up there. You got 5.
and a grape. It wasn't a I didn't have any grape squishies, so I just had to do like one of my doll squishies, but okay. I won, but good job.
Gigi.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and make sure to notify for any other great videos. Bye!
Bye.